Hey kids, I'm Willy the Weasel. I'm Arty Alligator.
And me, Sara.
And today we're gonna be reacting to SML movie, The President's Chef. Who's the president? Donald Trump or Joe Biden or Obama? Donald Trump sucks. Oh. Whoa.
Julia, what the hell are you doing in here?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Cream man, look, it's snowing all over him.
No.
You're making a whipped cream mess.
Yeah.
Look, it's a whipped cream everywhere.
Yeah.
And it's salt everywhere.
Yeah, and
It's
Oreos.
snow. Look at all the snow.
No.
God, Julia, just
No, it's
get
whipped
out
cream.
before I start strangling you right now. Oh, but it doesn't snow in Florida. I have to make whipped cream. I don't care, Julia. Just get out. You just made a big mess that I have to clean up. You didn't even turn off the TV before you even left. Wait, what?
Hello, everyone. I am Barack Obama, and I approve this message.
Obama? The White House, Washington? Who's that guy?
I don't
If
know.
you're a chef out there,
I don't know who
just send me
that
a
is.
letter, and I'll write you back.
Oh.
I really need that chef job filled.
Oh my God! The president is looking for a new chef.
A new chef.
Oh, that sounds like an awesome opportunity. Oh, I wouldn't have to deal with Bowser or Junior anymore, and I'll basically be royalty. Yeah, I need to write that letter right now. Okay, I just finished my letter to the president, and I hope he chooses me to be his new chef. Let me go and mail this. Hey, Chef Pee, where you going? Where am I going?
where you going?
To take out the trash. That's where I'm going.
If you're taking out the trash, where's the trash bag?
Where is that trash bag? It's right here. This is the only trash.
Wait, you're going all the way to the dumpster to throw away a piece of paper?
Yes, the piece of paper is like cluttering up the whole house. It's making it look very messy. Look, I'm OCD, dude. Just get out my sack, okay?
Okay.
God.
The next day.
Okay, time to make another Whippy the Whip.
No.
What the hell are you doing?
No.
Making another Whippy the Whip Cream.
No.
You don't need to make another Whippy the Whipped Cream Man, okay?
But I want Whippy the Whip Cream Man.
I don't care
No.
what you want.
Yeah, he
Make it
doesn't
more
care.
than Whippy the Whipped Cream
Wow.
Man. Just go in your room and play with your toys.
Okay, Chef.
My phone's ringing.
Ow. Wait.
Who is it? It's some strange number. Hello? Who is this?
Is this Pee-Pee?
Oh,
Is
yes,
it?
yes, it's Pee-Pee.
Oh, Junior will hear that.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is so awesome. This is weird. Hello, Mr. President. I would really like to work for you.
Yeah, if you really are interested in the position, just come to, Washington, D.C., and I'll offer you a job.
Okay, I'll be there as soon as possible. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Chef Pee's going to Washington, D.C.?
This is a cool opportunity.
Yeah, he's going to Washington, D.C.
Going to Washington,
Yeah.
D.C. to
What?
meet the president of the United States. Oh, this is like a dream come true. Wait. Damn it. What about Bowser? He's not going to let me leave. I need to come up with an excuse. Yeah. Oh, man, I can't wait for Charlie and Friends to come on. Bowser, what do you want, Chef Pee-Pee? I'm trying to watch Charlie and Friends. Oh, I just need to ask you a quick question, okay? Well, spit it out, damn it. Well, you see, Bowser,
Yeah.
I need to go out of town for a few days. For what? My great-great-grandma, she's really old. She has explosive diarrhea, and it's just ripping up her insides.
Whoa.
Every 5 minutes, she could possibly
Would
get
that be a
infection to her
lie?
anus.
I don't know. Well,
That sounds like
probably,
me last
yeah.
week. How many days do you need off?
Yeah.
Just two. Just
Yeah.
two. And then I'll be right back here, okay? I guess. If it's just 2 days, you can have those 2 days off. But I promise you, there will be a big mess for you to clean up here when you get back, okay? So I want you to be ahead of the game, all right? Oh, yes, sir. If you're just giving me the 2 days off. Thank you, Bowser. Thank you. Oh, my God. I can't believe Bowser believed it. Oh, that's hilarious. I think I got everything packed.
Hey, Chef Pee, where you going?
Yeah.
I'm not going anywhere, but,
Well, you have a suitcase. You're going somewhere.
I'm just going to my grandmother's house. My great-great-grandmother.
Your
who has
great-grandmother?
AIDS, and it's very contagious, and she doesn't like children or toys. I have to watch her for a whole weekend.
Oh, well, can I
Why?
go with you?
No, what part of that? She doesn't like children or toys. Do you not understand?
Why?
She has AIDS, too. That's contagious.
Okay.
Oh.
I just didn't know if I could go with you.
Nah, I'm packing my stuff. I'm already ready to go.
Okay, well, have a fun few days, Chef Pee.
I know Chef Pee will lie.
He's not going to see his grandma. He's going to Washington, D.C. to meet the president.
Go in
And
there.
I'm going with him.
You'll know it.
Okay, I'm all ready to go. Bye, Bowser. Bye. president said he could be here at any minute, so I need to put on something fresh. Ooh, let me
Prince?
pack. Okay, what am I going to wear? What am I going to wear? Okay, let's see what we have here.
What?
What the hell are you doing here?
Oh gosh, baby, there's no air in that suitcase.
Yeah, there's no air.
Right now, why are you here?
There's no air.
I heard you were going to Washington D.C.
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, he heard that you want to go into Washington D.C.
I'm going to be alone. I'm here to meet the
Yeah.
president, Junior, not you.
Oh.
The president?
That must be him.
Oh, can I meet the president?
No, you stay right here. Don't touch anything. Just make sure everything's okay, okay? Do I look okay?
I mean, I'd hit it.
Junior, just shut the hell up.
Oh, okay, well, I want to meet him.
Oh my God, it's the president. Oh, all right. Stay calm, BB.
The president?
No, Junior, stop, God. I told you to stay back there.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Wait, Mr. President? No, wait, you're not the president. Who are you?
Yeah.
Are you PP?
Yes, I'm
Yes.
BB.
Secure the room now.
Okay.
Get on the ground.
Whoa.
What's going on?
Secure the room.
Who are you?
United States Secret Service.
Okay.
Oh.
Please don't hurt me.
I need to secure the room.
All right.
Whoa. What? What you looking at?
Yep.
Yeah.
Who are you?
What the hell is that?
It's Bowser Jr.
Turtle light.
Yeah.
But look, where's the president at? I'm ready to meet him.
Yeah. What's wrong with you?
He'll be here in 5. Chef Phoebe, the President of the United States of America.
Oh my God, the president of the United States of America is here. Oh, it's an honor to meet you, sir.
It's an honor to meet you too, PP. And I hope you could, good for me as my personal chef if you complete this challenge.
Okay.
Obama?
Who's that guy?
What? Obama?
Yeah.
Obama?
He's a part of the Secret Service. Yep. He just makes sure bullets don't hit me.
Obama!
Back up, sir. That was incredibly rude. What the hell was that for? Just don't talk for the rest of the day, okay?
Wait, he can't talk for the rest of the day?
Not at all.
Wait, that means he can't make any noises.
Ow.
Nope. Not
Okay.
I'm gonna try to make him laugh.
Okay.
Boogers! Poop! Butthole! Big butthole! Big boogers with cheese on them!
You better not laugh.
Butthole again!
I failed you, sir. It's all right. I know. Just make sure you shut up this time.
Okay.
PP, can you follow me over here? All right, PP. I need you to make me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Wait, is that it, sir?
Yes. I'm a simple man. And if you can make that peanut butter and jelly sandwich so delicious for me, you might be my new chef.
Wait, oh my God. It sounds so awesome, sir. You know what? I'm gonna get to making it right now.
Hey, Obama, while Chef Pee-Pee's working on your sandwich, can we do
Obama.
some fun together?
We could go and walk some monuments.
Oh, walk around the monuments?
Yeah, we can see Lincoln and everybody else.
Oh, okay, that would be cool. But are we allowed to do that?
Are we? Oh, yeah, it looks like we are.
Oh, okay, we can go do it together.
All right, let's go.
Bye, Chef Pee-Pee. Make that sandwich good. Whoa, what
Okay.
is that thing?
Oh, that?
Wow.
The Washington Monument.
Oh.
Oh, whoa, it looks like a penis.
Wait, what?
Oh, well, it's
Ew.
so big.
Yeah, it is. You want to get close to it?
Ew. That doesn't look like a penis.
Yeah, sure, I can get close to it.
Only Michelle can get close to this.
Oh, okay,
Not
let's go
even a
close to it.
penis.
Let's go.
Whoa,
Yeah,
the George
it doesn't
Washington
look like a-
Monument. That's so
like
cool,
a dick.
Obama.
Yep, it's 555 feet of
say that.
pure stone, boy.
Pure stone.
Yep, built in 1884, and as you can see, the stone changes.
Oh, yeah, it changes colors right there halfway.
Yeah.
Why does it do that?
They ran out of money. They were cheap.
Oh,
But, we got it done.
well, can I go touch it?
Can you touch it?
He said yes.
Once.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, one time. Whoa, I'm about to
But-
touch the George Washington
He didn't say
Monument.
one.
Okay.
He only nodded his head.
Touched it.
Oh.
Whoa, it's really soft. Hey, ow, 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 ow,
Oh.
ow, ow. Say,
Stop, okay?
why is it hitting me?
Look, I told you, only one time. He's hectic about that type of stuff.
He doesn't even say that.
But you want to go inside?
What, this? You go inside this?
Yeah, it's hollow. It's hollow on the inside.
Oh, okay, can I go inside it?
I'm not sure. I've never been inside it.
Oh, okay, let's go inside it together.
Let's see. Here we are. We're inside.
Whoa, this looks so cool. Whoa, what is that?
That's the Capitol building.
The Capitol building?
Yep.
Whoa, there's construction going on.
Yeah, there's always construction
Whoa, so
going on here.
you've never been inside the George Washington Monument before?
Nah. You want to take a look?
Yeah.
Come on.
I want to look through this window.
No. I want to show you that personally.
Okay. I'll look at the other windows then.
Now, if you look out there, you can see the Jefferson Memorial.
Oh, the Jefferson Memorial?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Whoa.
You see that there?
Yeah.
That's my house. I'll show you that later.
Well, really? Wow, yeah, it's really far away. I can't really see it that well.
Yeah, but it's beautiful. I can tell you that.
Whoa. Whoa, that was so cool
Peter's
going
in
inside
Joey's.
there.
I know. I've never been in there before.
Yeah, it was really cool and really tall.
You never
and
been in there
everything.
before.
Yeah, so, what do we do now?
We can go to that building over there.
What building?
Okay, what is that building?
I think it's Lincoln, right? Lincoln? Lincoln.
Okay, I want to go look at it.
Yeah, let's go. Behold, that's the Lincoln Memorial.
Oh, wow, that's really beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful scenery right there.
The building's really far away. Can we get closer
What?
to it?
Of course, I wouldn't just leave you here, would I?
Okay, let's get closer to it.
Let's go. Now look at this fountain. It is truly
Wow.
beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Can I throw a penny in?
No, you can't.
That is totally disrespectful.
No, you can't throw in a penny.
I want to throw a penny in.
No, we're not doing that. You're going to get in trouble. Okay? Let's just go to the Lincoln Memorial. We'll get
Okay.
in trouble. And now we're even closer to the Lincoln Memorial.
Whoa. We walked a really far distance. Look how far away that is.
Yeah.
Yep, that's really far.
Yeah, it is. Is that the building on the back of the penny?
Yep, it is.
Whoa.
Yep.
Did it cost a penny to make it?
Oh, no. It cost $3 million.
That's a lot of money for a building.
Not out of my pocket.
Oh, well.
No way.
Can I go inside it?
Oh, you want to see my nigga?
What do you mean?
Just come on.
Hey, no. Oh, wait.
Here,
He's
you have
back.
to be very
Oh, yeah,
quiet,
I
okay?
forgot.
Wait, why do we have to
Yeah.
be quiet?
You have to pay respect to Lincoln. He freed the slaves. He's like my nigga.
Why?
He's
Hey.
president of the white people.
Don't say that.
Well, how tall
Yeah.
is
Oh, he's
Don't-
19 feet tall.
he's a
I
brat,
don't know if he
though.
was really that tall.
Oh,
He was
yeah,
a
he
great
is.
basketball player.
I don't
But
think he was 19
don't
feet tall.
say
He'd be a
that.
giant.
To their skins. That'll be
Wait, is that
racist.
his body, though?
Oh, sure.
Is that him frozen?
Is it?
Yes.
I think so.
Quiet
They freeze the
respect.
president, so I'm gonna be frozen soon.
Oh, well, okay.
Oh,
You wanna go to the White House?
Really?
Yeah, let's go.
okay.
This is my house.
Whoa, the White House! That's really your house?
Yeah. Yep. It
Wow.
was made in 1792, and
Yeah.
I think we finished it
The White
in
House.
1800s. I don't know the actual
Whoa.
date. And it burned down in 1812.
Wait, it burnt down, then why is it still there?
We rebuilt it, of course. I have to stay somewhere.
Oh, well, why wouldn't you let Chef Pee-Pee inside it?
You can't just let anybody inside. We gotta give them a test drive.
Well, can I go inside it?
No, hell no.
Wait,
Hell
wait.
no.
No.
Why?
Why?
Because you're a bad
Why?
thing. You
Why?
damage the White House. You can burn it again.
Oh, well, that's a really cool house, mister.
Yeah.
Wow.
What do you want to see next?
I don't know anything about history. This is cool learning about it.
Okay, come on, follow me.
Okay, that should be it. It should be perfect now.
Big B, are you done with my peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Oh, yes, sir. I am completely done with it. It should be delicious.
All right, can you vacate the room so I can eat it?
Do you really need me to leave?
Yes, I need everybody to leave so I can eat my sandwich in peace.
Okay.
Do I have to leave too?
Yes, especially you. You've been annoying today.
Oh, okay.
All right, you ready, Tingle? This is a nice peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, is it safe to eat? Did not tell you not to talk.
Any noises?
Look, just bite.
Yeah. Wait.
Chew it. Chew it.
Yeah, good.
Now, how is it? I'll try myself.
Wait. Try it. What?
Damn, that was awful.
What? How is it awful?
What are we gonna tell him?
Yeah, nobody likes peanut
We
butter.
saw the George Washington Monument, which is like 555 feet tall, and then the Lincoln Memorial, and he like frozen sitting down like this, and then
All right, Junior. All right, I heard you. Okay, just shut the hell up.
Aw.
Alright.
Oh, hey, Mr. President. Did you like your sandwich?
Yeah, you do.
It was all right.
Okay,
So
good.
can I be a new chef, Obama?
Look, I'm gonna have to send you a letter in the mail within the next 2 days. It's
In the
just gonna say
letter?
whether you're gonna be my new chef or not.
Oh, yeah.
You know, because if it's a no, you might, shoot me, and we don't need that to happen, okay? So, just check your mail within the next 2 days, and hopefully you're gonna be my new chef, Mr. PP.
Oh, thank you, sir. That's so awesome.
Yeah, that really is awesome, Chef Pee-Pee.
All right, make sure you check that mail, PP.
Oh, that is so cool. I might cook for the president.
I hope you get the job, Chef Pee-Pee.
I know. Hey, we need to hurry up and head home. I need to check that mailbox, okay?
Oh, wait, before we leave, follow me. I gotta do something.
What?
I need to go there.
Junior, the National Archives? Why? Why are we here?
I have to do something before I leave.
Yeah.
What?
One. Like that.
Well, 180 years and I'm 3 feet away.
What the hell are you talking about, Junior?
What are you talking about?
Those who have the responsibility to take action need to take action.
Wait, what?
Junior, what are you talking about?
Yeah.
I'm gonna steal it.
There you go.
I'm
What?
gonna steal the Declaration of
You gotta steal it?
Washington, D.C. was so fun, Chef Pee-Pee.
Oh, it was fun for you, wasn't it? Because you weren't invited and you just jumped in my suitcase.
Well, yeah, but, I mean, at least I got to steal this.
But still, what?
The Declaration of Independence.
You gotta be kidding me, Junior. You didn't steal that, did you?
I told you I was gonna steal it.
You stole it?
What
What?
the hell is wrong
What?
with you? Oh my god, oh my god. And there's a big mess in here.
What?
Bowser said he was gonna leave a big mess. Yes, Bowser? Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, something came in the mail for you today. Wait,
What?
What was it? These nuts?
These nuts. Got him.
For real? Something did come in the mail. It's on the kitchen counter. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god! The letter is here! And it has my name on it. It's official! Let me read it.
Okay.
Dear Chef Pee-Pee, I regret to inform you that the chef position has been filled. And not by you. Wait, I don't get it. I just made a good sandwich before I left. That peanut butter and jelly sandwich was awful. Here is a White House snow globe for all your hard work. Make sure you pay your taxes. Barack Obama, nigga. No! I don't understand.
Poor Chef Pee-Pee. Yeah, he's crying.
So my dreams are crushed.
Let's find this treasure map. I need more lemon juice. Where's the map?
Yeah, where's your man?
Let me flip it over.
Oh, you ripped it.
Chef Baby, I ripped the Declaration of Independence. I need another one.
What do you mean you ripped it?
Yo, you ripped
Another
it.
one. I ripped it. See it?
Ah, you did it. You ripped it. Wow.
Another one is only one copy.
Yeah, it's only one copy.
Whoa, the White House. Hey, Candy, come take a picture in front of the White House. Candy?
What?
Candy?
What? What candy? Okay, no.
All right. Shake it, Candy. Shake that ass.
Candy!
Okay, as another question. If you were president, what would you do? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy that video. Yeah, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Yeah, comment down below. If you were president, what would you do?
Yeah, and we'll see you all next time.
Goodbye, everyone.